up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video. We will be trying today Indian Hakka food, Chinese food जो हमारे यहाँ बैक होम कहा जाता है, पर like legit Chinese नहीं है वो. अगर हम असली Chinese खा लें तो वो तो हमारे हलक से भी नीचे ना जाए, because that's like not that kind of spicy. It's more kind of oily, like hot chili oil और काफ़ी दूसरी तरह की चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल होता है. पर like to cater our taste like Indian Chinese और Pakistani Chinese is completely different and it's really bomb. जो मुझे मालूमात है लाइक क्वेबेक और दूसरे प्रोविंसेस में उसका सीन इतना अच्छा नहीं है जितना टोरंटो में है, जितना GTA में है, और उसके लाइक ओंटारियो के अंदर जितना सारे लाइक बैक टू बैक हलाल है ये. तो आज की वीडियो वो करेंगे हम लोग ट्राई. ऑर्डर हमने प्लेस कर दिया है. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू गो फॉर पिकअप. वेदर एज़ यूजुअल वेगस से मैं वापस आ गया हूँ और ये हमारी रूटीन फूड व्लॉगिंग की वीडियो है रादर देन ट्रैवल की. तो वेदर इज़ प्रीटी बैड एंड रफ. तो देखते हैं, ड्राइव करेंगे स्लोली पिकअप कर लेंगे. ऑर्डर पहले कर दिया वहाँ पे जाके, वरना आपको दिखाते. इट्स नॉट लाइक काइंड ऑफ एनी फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट, इट्स काइंड ऑफ वॉल इन द होल, पर बहुत अच्छा खाना होता है. इट्स क्लोजर टू आवर होम और हमारा हमेशा गो टू हाका है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ऑल माई व्यूअर्स इन कराची, पाकिस्तान, वेयर एवर जहाँ पे भी हैं, और एक तो वो टोरंटो के हमारी वीडियोस के ज़रिए टोरंटो देखें, और दूसरा दीज काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस लाइक कैन हेल्प पीपल उन कमिंग इन कैनेडा, टोरंटो और दूसरे प्रोविंसेस से कि वो कहाँ पे हलाल सीन अच्छा है. सो डाइन इन इट्स वेरी ओके, लाइक इट्स काइंड ऑफ वॉल इन द होल, पर खाना इसका बहुत मज़े का होता है. तो हम हमेशा टेक आउट ही करते हैं यहाँ से. तो अब चलते हैं एंड लेट्स सी क्या हो रहा है. और ये रहा वेदर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. तो लेट्स सी स्टार्ट अ राइड एंड लाइक लेट्स गेट सम. गाइस हम लोग यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं. इट टुक मी अ बिट, बहुत वेदर ख़राब हो चुका है. इट्स गोना बी स्नोइंग. कल का भी काफ़ी एडवाइजरी है लाइक वेदर के ऊपर. सो लेट्स सी, लाइक अभी पहुँच गए हैं, पिकअप करते हैं, खाना रेडी होगा. दे सेड 20 मिनट्स बट इट टुक मोर देन 20 मिनट्स. सो आई होप इट विल बी रेडी. अंदर चलते हैं और फिर जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस के कितना बैड सीन हो चुका है. लुक एट दिस, काफ़ी सारी स्नो गिर रही है. आई होप जल्दी ये वेदर विल बी ओवर. एंड दिस इज़ द प्लेस, दिस इज़ पॉपआइज, दिस इज़ हाका नंबर 1 इन केल राइट नेक्स्ट टू इट. सो अंदर चलते हैं और फिर अपना ऑर्डर पे. दिस इज़ हाका एंड दिस इज़ दैट हलाल साइन. सो काफ़ी सारा हलाल है. ये पॉपआइज भी हलाल है. लेट्स गो इन. सो जैसे कि hello, can I, no I'm good, can I get the green sauce and the red sauce? ये उनकी स्पेशल सॉसेस होती हैं, हर किसी को इसका नहीं पता, पर obviously thank you so much. I forgot to thank you, have a good night. I forgot to tell you जैसे कि डाइन इन वापस खुल चुका है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड दिस वीकेंड कि कहीं ना कहीं So it's in a very famous strip mall, Keele and Lawrence. So it's very close by, and look at this. Look at the weather. So right corner पे Walmart 24/7 and lot of stuff. So yeah, खाना ले लिया है. Let's go to the house and taste करके देखते हैं कि क्या सीन है. everyone. So we are back at the house finally. It was a bit of a rough drive, as you guys know. Weather बहुत खराब है. So let's dig into this. Our sauces, let's put them here. So these are the sauces जो मैं बात कर रहा था कि like they have their own hot sauce, and this is one of the chili sauce. वैसे ही खाना बहुत hot होता है, तो I don't know like. So it's about the preference, but like I like it spicy, so this is their order. And not everyone know about that, so here. And then obviously they have the packet hot sauces and soya sauce. So this is like a hot sauce. हमने अपना plate और spoon निकाल लिया, so we're gonna be taking out everything now. Let's put this on the side, and as you can see the rice. सारा जो sticky rice है that comes in, it's like in the white boxes, white sticky rice. And my kids, हम लोग सब, we love the sticky rice. This is small hot and sour soup, very good enough for 2 people. So yeah, बच्चे spicy ज़्यादा खाते नहीं हैं, so that's like all the spicy food. And this is I guess beef Manchurian, and this is my favorite, Bombay chicken. Alright, so let me show you everything, how they look. First one is this Bombay chicken. I'm gonna just show it to you how good it is. So look at this. So I guess it's fried. First the chicken, they fried it in corn flour and spices, and then they cook it, finally finish it with all the onions and all the spices. And it's the crunchiest. अभी बात करते हुए मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, and it's the best. Like this is dry होती है. So usually what we do, हम लोग एक dry लेते हैं और एक gravy लेते हैं, तो like you know that can be done. And we both love this. So this is kind of fried chicken, chili chicken, like but Bombay, but it's dry, so it's like more like kind of Indian Pakistani spices. So look at this. All right, so this we're gonna put it on the side. Next one is जो gravy वाला है, Manchurian. Usually Szechuan beef और Manchurian beef में हम लोग usually switch करते रहते हैं. तो आज मैंने उससे रैको पूछा था, guy suggested me on the phone कि you should go for the Manchurian beef. So this is what we tried, and it just looked like delish. Oh, I made a mess. It's so full. Like, let me just do it like this. Wait. Let me just show you. So I can't pick it up. It's like kind of drenching. I'll show you in the plate, and obviously this is the sticky rice. All right. Let me just clean this mess. All right. So it's बहुत ज़्यादा filling देते हैं. Like कम से कम आप हम लोग 2 लोगों के लिए मंगाते हैं, तो आराम से 3 meals आपके निकल सकते हैं. Like by the time the food finishes, so they don't cheap out on the quantity. So, and let me show you the hot sauce. Sorry, hot and sour soup. So either 2 options होते हैं इनके पास. One is with all seafood, and one is chicken. So today I got chicken. We usually tried seafood, so let me give it a try. Look at this. So let's give it a shot. It's the best. Mix it up. Put your hot sauce, soy sauce. मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद. So I just like hot and sour का अपना flavor होता है, तो I just go with that. But it's pretty, like all the vegetables and everything. You can see all the vegetables, chicken. You can see that. इसको देखें. It's very healthy, like very rich. Broth is also nice. ज़्यादा liquid ही नहीं है. थोड़ा सा thick है, which I like it. और इतना स्पाइसी नहीं है कि आपको जैसे हिट करे. It's very good spicy. So you can still go ahead and add all of your hot sauces and soya sauce. Oh my god. And the chicken is so much, like they haven't cheap out, like they never cheap out. Best thing I like about this place, like chicken bhi denge to bhar ke denge, gravy denge to bhar ke denge, and it's so good. Let me try. It's so good. All right. Next, let's get to the next item, which is I have taken out my plate. We're gonna have some rice, and then we're gonna try the Manchurian beef, which is like with the gravy, and then finally we're gonna try, yeah. So took out the rice, gonna make my plate. Hot piping food का मज़ा ही अलग है सर्दियों में. Comfort food. Let me show you this, how beautiful the gravy is. They have like beef strips, and the taste, I can tell, like I have tried so many times, but for you guys, it's spicy, it's crunchy. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm not even kidding. Like, spices, beef is so tender. It's so much tender. Like, just look at this. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Look at the beef. It's so tender with the rice and the sauce. Perfect for such a cold evening. बहुत fit है. मसाले थोड़े हमारे यूज़ हैं, थोड़े चाइनीज़ हैं, but it's so good. I can literally, beef mouth में melt हो रहा है. So good. और राइट, जैसे ही आप बाइट लेते हैं तो एक स्पाइस बर्स्ट आता है, लेकिन it die down. It's not that spicy, but you can feel like chilies in the gravy and like some other spices, and the beef like when tender, और चावल और sticky rice के साथ. इनके पास बहुत तरह के फ्राइड राइस होते हैं. You guys might be wondering why didn't we get any fried rice, क्योंकि back home यही तरीका है. पर since moving here, like the sticky rice के साथ जो flavor आता है, जो sticky rice basically absorb कर लेता है उसकी gravy को, and like उसके साथ जो वो soak होके, it's really good. Try it with the sticky rice. Don't get me wrong, fried rice or इनके जो shrimp fried rice, all egg fried rice, all kind of fried rice, they do Manchurian fried rice, which is all red, so that's also kind of one of their speciality. But like we like to try with the sticky rice, white sticky rice, but you guys can try with anything. Now moving on to my main, which I'm more excited about, is like the Bombay chicken. I don't know like if chicken 65 is also the same thing. No, chicken 65 is more kind of a little bit liquidy, but this is Bombay chicken. And let me just pour this in my plate. Like, let's take it out. Look how the spices are. Look, they have like different kind of spices. Look, and let's take a bite with the rice. ये हमने अपना bite बनाया. Look at this. As usual. It's such a fried, crispy. As I told you, like corn flour and something, या किसी चीज़ में ये लोग पहले fry करते हैं. It's so good, and then they finish it in like a pan with all the spices, onions, and everything. It's so good. You can see how good it is. Look at this. I can easily eat this food 2 to 3 days a week. My wife doesn't like that much, but मुझे बहुत पसंद है. She doesn't like. She likes it on like monthly or like sometimes like after 2 months. But I can eat this food like 2 to 3 times. If you ask me right away कि खाने को क्या मंगाना है, I'll say Hakka. But so it's that good, and this place is awesome. So it's so good. So yeah, this was Hakka, guys. I wanted to share with you guys because it's one of my favorite spots. Their soup, their beef dishes, their gravy, their dry dishes, everything is good. Beef, I didn't even tell you last time, हमने beef, crispy beef try किया हुआ है, ginger beef try किया हुआ है. Everything is so good. Their chef, their cook, they know what they are doing. So इनकी 3 branches हैं. Like one is in Scarborough and one is in I guess Brampton, and then one is in like North York. So please guys, like if you're really craving some good Hakka, and don't get me wrong, there are some very good Hakkas in GTA like Royal Jade, Royal Jasmine, and like a lot of very good Hakka places. So आगे अगर अब वीडियो रही तो एक Hakka series भी करेंगे. We can do more of it, but for now, like comfort, घर के करीब, this is the best place. And like it's not that costly, like for all of this, like it was like $35-$36, so pretty cheap. Not cheap, like pretty affordable what the prices are आजकल. और दोनों dishes के साथ sticky rice आता है, like for $12, for $13 the sticky rice comes, so you don't have to get the fries separately. And this is good for 2 of us or 3 of us. Even like my kids like the white sticky rice, so उसमें फिर हम लोग cover हो जाता है. पर do let me know. Thank you. थोड़ा सा आप लोगों ने प्यार दिखाया. Like you can subscribe. I've started seeing like some views on the videos. So keep subscribed. Subscribe नहीं किया तो subscribe कर लें. Like करें, share करें, comment करें और मुझे बताएं like what's the next thing you guys want to see. और इसी तरह like करते रहें और let me know, like write in comments, like show me some love. Write in comments what you guys want to see next, what you guys want me to try. There's so much stuff going on and we'll keep you posted of that. Thank you so much. So like करें, comment करें, subscribe करें, share करें. Thank you. अगली वीडियो तक.
Make me a safe house. Shake it up, shake it up. She got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, smoke it up.